Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to install any website as an app in any computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So for this tricks I will gonna use the Microsoft Edge. So these tricks will work for Google Chrome web browser also. So you can either use a Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome browser, but these tricks may not work with the Mozilla Firefox or any other web browsers. So here I'll be using a Microsoft Edge. You can use Google Chrome also, but the tricks will remain the same. So here I'll be using a Microsoft Edge. So firstly I'll open the Microsoft Edge browser. So I will try to open one website, say youtube.com. So I'll try to open this. So I have opened a youtube.com, right? So you can see a youtube.com. So on the right side you can see app available. Already it's showing me. When you click on this app available, you can see an option to install YouTube app. So once you click on install, it will get installed. Or there is one more way to install this website. You can see here three horizontal icons. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you can see here apps, manage apps, and install YouTube. By going to this option also, you can just select install YouTube to install it. So I'll be just selecting this one and I'll just try to install. So before clicking on install, I will just let me show you I have not installed any YouTube app. So let me search. So you can see I don't have any YouTube application installed in my Windows computer. So let's try to install this website as an application. So I'll just click on install. Now the YouTube application has been installed, but you might be thinking, is it the original YouTube applications that we used to see in the mobile smartphones? But sadly no. The thing is that this website is acting like an app, but it's not the actual applications, it's actually the web application. That means it's opening in a web browser, but it's acting like a application. So you can see now a YouTube application has been installed in your Windows computer, but it's not the actual application. I already mentioned earlier, it's just a web application. So it will be opening in the browser, but it will not display like it's opening in the browser, it's opening in the applications, but it's actually opening in the browser since it's a web applications. So if you're a guy who wants to install any website as an applications in your respective computer, then you can try this cool tricks, and this trick's gonna work for almost all the websites. So let me try again. Just let me open the Microsoft Edge. So I'll just try to open news.google.com. so you can see here. So you can see on the right side again app available. Just click on it and I'll try to install the Google News website as an application just by clicking on install. So Google News also has been installed in my Windows computer. So let me go to the start menu. Now you can see Google News application has been installed. So in this way you can install any website as an application in any computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in trying these cool tricks, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.